Hey pretty girls, it's Tay, and y'all about to watch me install this frontal wig for the very first time, y'all. This is my first time ever doing a frontal, so if you want to see this video and how I got it to be looking like no lace, keep on watching. Okay, hey y'all, let's get right into it. So as y'all can see, I just sprayed my wig cap with like a little concoction that I found on TikTok. So basically you just mix some of your foundation in with your alcohol, and y'all, soon I sprayed it on there, the wig cap started to lift. So I don't know if I did something wrong, but the wig cap started to like slide up. As y'all can see, I'm trying to check it out. But bear with me because this is my first time ever doing a closure wig, or a frontal wig, I mean. So just bear with me, okay, y'all? Now I'm just trying to, what was I doing right here? Oh, I was putting the straps on the wig and stuff like that. So y'all about to watch that now. So now I got the straps on the wig. I'm about to just cut off the back of the lace. Like I see the girls on TikTok cut the back off, so that's exactly what I did. I just cut the back off, and then next I'm going to spray the lace with the same concoction that I sprayed my wig cap with. Again, it is just some foundation in my shade, but like a little bit darker. So I seen a girl say find your foundation just a little bit darker. So I just sprayed it on the lace, and then y'all will see it turn color. It actually worked really well. I was surprised. And then I'm going to just blow dry that as well, so that way it can kind of, you know, dry down, so that way when I'm starting to put the wig on my actual head with the glue, it's not like wet at all. So you're gonna see me grab the blow dryer in a second, and I want to just blow dry it until it's like basically dry, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time to put the wig on my head. Y'all, this was an interesting process, my very first time. Okay, y'all, so now I'm about to put the wig on my head. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I thought this wig was gonna be too small, y'all. I got a little worried, like, wait a minute, this thing is kind of a little bit snug. So y'all will see me like looking at it in a second, like, is it on here right? But I guess that's how it's supposed to lay, because I guess the wig is supposed to be right at your hairline, and I feel like it was like a little bit far back. But then, I mean, at the same time, that's my hairline. So now I'm just positioning it on my head, and I kind of got a little happy, like, okay. So I liked how it looked. I love the bleaching. I did pretty good on my bleaching and knots and stuff. The next video, or next time I do a wig, I'll probably will show the bleaching process. But I just did a really good job at that, and I plucked really well. So now I'm just positioning it on my head and just kind of combing it out to kind of see where I want to put it at. And y'all gonna watch me next try to like line it up and cut the ear tabs off. Now the ear tabs was a mess, okay, but I mean, hey, it was my first time, so just keep on watching so y'all can see the ear tabs next.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one.
Okay, so now it's time to do the glue. I just did one dot on my skin, one dot on the ball cap, and I did very thin layers, y'all. Like when I say very thin layers, as you all can see, the ear tabs is not 100% perfect, but again, like I said, it's my very first time. So take your time on this and make sure you let the white glue dry clear. That is the #1 tip that I do have for all beginners. Make sure you allow it to dry clear.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. my love. So don't give away. In another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay, as you just saw, I just put the wig on, and make sure you put the wig a little bit in front of the glue. And now I'm just going in with one of my little stretchy bands, and I'm going to wrap it up now because I want to kind of melt it into my skin and let it work in there for about 10 or 15 minutes. And you all will see me just tie it up now. Unfortunately, the wig that I purchased did not come with like a little band, so I have to find one that I had. Luckily, I had something. And you do this just so you can like melt your edges and make sure that the glue is all getting in contact with your skin and stuff like that. So you just position it on your edges and make sure it is nice and secure. And then, as you all will see me in a second, I'm going to then split my hair down the middle. I'm gonna do a middle part. I was gonna try to do a side part, but I was like, you know what, I'm doing too much too soon, so let's just do a middle part. And I'm just cutting off some of the extra lace, that way I can kind of see again. You don't want to cut too much of it off, but I just cut the little super excess off, and then I'm gonna go in and do a middle part.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, that's true.
Okay, so boom, baby, that's on flat flat. Okay, for my first time, not too bad doing a frontal. But y'all, I ain't gonna tell y'all no story, girl. I am tired right here, baby. I'm just like, at this point, let's just get this over with, because I am tired. I've been working on my hair for like 2 hours at this point. So now I'm gonna just turn off the hop comb Make sure it's good and flat enough. And then I want to just take the band off. The band kind of got stuck right there, as y'all can see, but for the most part, it did pretty good. I'm like, okay, you know, that's me being happy because I feel like I look like the girls that I see on TikTok and YouTube. So I'm like, oh snap, let me find out I'm part of the crew. I'm just adjusting it in the back, and then for the most part, I feel very satisfied. I cut the lace off. I did leave a bit of an excess because, like, for me, I like to take my hair on and off and wash it and stuff. So I don't want to cut too much of lace off because I know over time the lace will get shorter and shorter as is. So I just cut off a little bit more of the lace. Some girls like to cut off all the lace. I like to have a little bit extra piece of lace on there, so that's what I did. And as y'all can see, I'm just kind of checking out and just looking. For the most part, I'm satisfied. I'm happy with the results. And yeah, I'll be back in a second, y'all. Okay, y'all, right here is when I messed up. So I did really good with the baby hair, like parting it out and everything, y'all. But I accidentally cut my baby hairs way too short. And y'all will probably not see that. I don't think I recorded that part, but I think I did. But I did so good. So if you want to do baby hair, make sure you don't cut it too short like I did. But I just pulled them out, and then I'm going to put the elastic band on them so that way they can kind of like lay down for a second or two. Y'all, I was so excited for these baby hair because I just knew I had it together. Like, I just knew I knew. And unfortunately, I still did not know. So I'm just combing it down a little bit, hot combing it down so that way they can stay straight. And then I'm going to put on the edge wrap. And yeah, y'all about to see in a second how I messed up. So it was at this moment where everything went downhill. So I was like, I don't want my edges to be all on my forehead and all on my eyebrows like the other girls. But baby, now I see why they leave so much out. I cut them way too short, y'all. And I knew I messed up right there. So yeah, y'all, yeah, I messed up. I messed up real bad. Like, really, really, really bad. So I am done. Please give this install your rating. I'm going to try to step into different lighting. It's not that much light today, but give this install your rating. I give it about a 8 because I didn't know how to do the baby hairs. Like, the baby hairs for me is just a struggle. I don't know how to do baby hairs at all. I don't know if I made them too short or what, but yeah, the baby hairs just didn't work this time around. But give me your rating down below. And yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with this look. I definitely feel confident enough to go out in public, so that's all that matters. And yeah, this is my very first time installing the frontal. It wasn't as hard as I thought, but it was still like a little tricky. But I've been watching YouTube videos for years on how to install frontals, so yeah, let me know below what y'all give this rating. I give it an 8.5 out of 10. Bye.